Welcome back to the moments that echo, where every moment has a story and every story leaves an echo. If you enjoy genuine stories, meaningful experiences, and moments that stay with you long after they were over, consider subscribing and becoming a part of this journey. It truly motivates me to keep creating and sharing these memories with you. Today, it's a time to say goodbye to Osaka and begin a brand new chapter in Tokyo. If you haven't watched my Osaka series yet, be sure to check it out after this video. Every destination gave us unforgettable memories, and now it's time for one of the experiences I had been looking forward to the most. Today, we are finally boarding Japan world famous Shinkansen, the bullet train. And here is a question for you. Have you ever traveled at over 300 kilometers per hour without even realizing how fast you were going? Well, come along because this journey is about to be just as memorable as destination. I honestly couldn't stop smiling and dancing. This wasn't just excitement, it was that feeling of finally ticking something off your bucket list. Sometimes we travel thousands of kilometers just to experience one single moment. And for me, this was one of those moments. As we walked towards the platform, everything felt so calm and perfectly organized. No rushing, just people patiently waiting in line. It was amazing to see how effortlessly everything worked. Everyone knew exactly where to stand, when to board, and the whole process felt so smooth. It almost looked like a perfectly choreographed routine. And then there it was, the Shinkansen. Seeing it in real life was even more exciting than I had imagined. Its sleek design and silent arrival made it feel like something straight out of the future. Do you know the Shinkansen first started operating in 1964, and today it's one of the safest and most reliable high-speed rail system in the world. Some trains can reach a speed of up to 320 kilometers per hour. The moment we stepped inside, I noticed how spacious, clean, and peaceful everything was. The seats were incredibly comfortable with plenty of legroom, and many of them can even rotate so family and friends can sit facing each other. Every little detail is designed to make journey comfortable. Sometimes comfort is not about luxury, it's about thoughtful design. Before we knew it, that train had already picked up speed, and honestly, if nobody had told me how fast we were traveling, I would never guessed. The ride was so smooth and quiet that it almost felt like we were gliding through Japan. Can you believe we are traveling at over 300 kilometers an hour right now? And just like that, one chapter ends and another begins. I'll see you in Tokyo where more moments are waiting to echo. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.